good morning guys. So welcome to my vlog, and for today's video, I'm gonna be vlogging a day in my life because I want to share with you guys how I spend yung normal day ko lang. This is how we spend our day kasama si Mil. Yan. And as you can see, sobrang gulo pa ng buhok ko kasi kakagising ko lang. So, right now, niyaya niya na ako kumain sa labas. Although may food naman sana kami, pero gusto niya daw kumain sa labas. So, sobrang gulo pa ng bahay namin. Plan ko sana today maglinis at maglaba. Kasi we're going somewhere tomorrow, and ayan, ilang araw na ako hindi nakakalinis ng bahay kasi medyo busy kami the past days. And yun lang. So, I hope you enjoy, guys, seeing or being part of my day. So, ayan na guys, nakabis na ako and we're going out. Pero hindi naman daw kami pupunta sa malayo or sa mall. Just going to this cafe near here sa condo namin. And we'll just have brunch there. Then pag-uwi, I think hindi naman kami gagala today. Kasi we only have few hours. Kasi si Neil, nag-start siya mag-work ng 4 p.m. So, yeah. And it's already 12 noon. Yan. Kaya, after we eat, we'll head back here sa condo. And I will start my day. So, we're going to ride our motorcycle.
We're doing what?
I'm vlogging.
No, what are we doing?
Ride the motorcycle. Lutang siya.
Huh? What? What do you say?
Nothing. I'm talking to the camera. So we're nasa Cultura Cafe, guys. This is where we're gonna have our brunch. First time lang namin dito, so hindi namin alam kung ano in-offer nila. So we'll see.
Morning.
They have claw machines. Here's their menu.
Colonizer's touch.
Spanish, because it's a Spanish latte. So this is what we ordered. What's yours on? I ordered the Spanish latte.
Their best seller. Americano Han.
Americano hon. So, ito yung order ko. Tomato basil pasta and for me ay tuna.
Tuna melon.
Tuna melon. So, yeah. So, ayun guys.
We'll be there at 4 a.m.
So, we went sa grocery. We bought some stocks. some food then. Siguro, because we're gonna bring some food para sa bus. If we're in the bus. How about snacks?
With the pastin.
What?
Chicken with rice?
Yeah.
Not big in pandesal.
You can do that too. But of course, rice is heavy.
You use the pandesal, the rice. Just get continue. Anything else? Pinoy loaf?
So, tomorrow, magluluto kami ng
Let's get some snacks.
pastil. Yun yung babaunin namin sa bus. Then some snacks. So, we also bought sushi for tonight. Sushi! So, this is everything na binili natin, guys. And we're gonna play now. I said, let's guess the deal. They want shout out. Honey, they want shout out. They want shout out. Shout out to shout out.
Oh, they won't shout out.
Not shout out. Shout out.
Shout out.
So, nakauwi na kami, guys. And now, I should start doing my chores before 7 p.m. Kasi almost 4 p.m. si May mag-start na mag-work. So, I have to do my chores. Pero, I have to finish it before mag-7 p.m. kasi meeting. So, what I'm gonna do right now is I'll clean first, then do the laundry. Then, so, I'll start here muna sa kwarto namin kasi this is where Mil's gonna work. So, yeah. So, tapos na ako maglinis na kwarto namin. Ngayon naman, maghuhugas ako ng mga plato namin. Dahil ang daming kalat dito sa kusina. Because later, I'll be cooking naman. So later, magluluto naman ako after this. No, not after this. For dinner. Kailangan ko muna matapos maglinis bago ko gawin yung iba kong chores kasi hindi ako makakapag-isip ng tama kung magulo pa yung paligid ko. So, yeah. Medyo matagal din ako hindi nakapaglinis. Kasi nga, iwan ko ba, busy-busy namin. Tapos ganyan kakulit yung kasama mo sa bahay, di ba? Linis na ako. Now, I'm gonna organize itong mga pinagalo namin sa grocery. First, pinili kami sa Watson's ng toiletries. Ayan. Emil tong mga to sa hair. We also bought sunscreen kasi nga alis na kami tomorrow. But itong sunscreen may siyang lip and cheek. Very nice. And then aside from that, bumili rin kami ng mga stocks sa bahay. I bought chicken breasts para sa chicken pasta. Some drinks. Foil kasi i-wrap namin yung baon namin kumuha. Puro drinks pa. Puro drinks ni Mil. snacks. Baon na namin tomorrow. Bumili rin akong papaya. Gusto ko i-try itong bento sweet spicy thing dito. Got this container. Para sa baon. Bili rin ako ng refill ng laundry namin kasi maglo-laundry ako later. Hi guys! So yun nga, nagkaroon kami ng unexpected visitor today. And we weren't able to do the laundry. I wasn't able to do the laundry. That's why later pupunta kami sa 24 hours laundry service. After ng work niya pa. So, yeah. And may meeting ako ng 7 p.m. Hindi na ako naka-attend pa. But I'll go afterwards. And
Hindi kumain.
And the thing is, nag-order kami ng pizza. Pero hanggang ngayon, hindi pa siya dumadating. It's been 2 hours since we ordered it. Hindi nakakain yung mga bisita namin. Kaya ang dami naming pizza na parating ngayon. That's what we're going to eat for dinner. And the sushi. Friday night. Can we eat this food?
Sushi, of course.
Yeah? I don't know what's wrong with this dish. Seems so... Hello po. So, yan na nga guys. Tumating na yung pizza kung kailangan kakaalis lang ng mga bisita.
Does he have change?
Yeah, I said 1,000. Huh? I'm in a meeting.
What?
So, tapos na ako sa mga meetings ko guys. And I'm just waiting for Mil. Kasi mag-out na rin siya soon sa work niya. That's why magluluto muna ako ng babaunin namin bukas sa pag-alis namin. So, I will cook chicken pastel. So, I'll pack the chicken pastel kasi we will leave early morning. So, I think hindi naman siya masisira. Kasi, super aga naman namin aalis later. And pag nag-out na si Mil, pupunta naman kami sa laundry kasi kailangan talaga namin magpa-laundry and I hope open pa yung mga laundry. I hope totoo yung mga advertisement na 24 hours yung laundry shop kasi we never tried going to a 24-hour laundry shop around here sa area namin. So, magluluto muna ako para pag tapos niya sa work niya ay diretso alis na kami. So, yun na guys. Luto na yung chicken pastel. And tapos na rin yung sila. So, I'll just leave this hanggang sa bago kami umalis here sa kitchen. Kasi for sure naman hindi naman siya masisira. Kasi bagong luto. Hope so. And pastel naman siya. So, nilagyan ko siya ng vinegar. So, hindi siya agad-agad masisira. So, I'll just pack it later bago kami umalis. So, for now, habang nag-iintay ako kay Mil, ilalagay ko yung mga laundry natin. Medyo marami siya, guys. So, ayun na guys. Tapos na si Mil sa work niya. And Punta na kami sa laundry. So, hopefully nga, open pa yung laundry. Isang bag lang naman po yung laundry namin. Pero yun yung mga damit na kailangan namin for tomorrow.
That one too? That? No.
Hmm. Hmm.
Or iiwan mo? Kung iiwan kasi mag-add kayo.
We're just gonna wait here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Dito mo na yung video. Ulat ng video. Kaya ka ng video. Tapos tayo.
So, we're doing the laundry already, guys. Buti na lang open pa sila. Although pumunta kami dun sa isang branch, pero puno ng tao, hindi namin in-expect na maraming tao during this hours. Pero good thing dito sa isang branch. So, may damit kami for tomorrow. So, ayun nga na guys, kakauwi lang namin from the laundry. We were able to wash, dry, and fold the clothes there too. And good thing na lang may 24 hours laundry place malapit sa amin, no? And yeah, after this, we will just put our clothes sa cabinet namin, and then that concludes our day. So thank you guys for being part of my a day in the life vlog. So I hope you enjoyed it. And it's been a long day. It was a long and productive day, and I'm happy to share it with you guys. No? So yeah, I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.